Good morning, class. So at this point we're looking at exponents and surds. Okay, we already spoke about the natural and the whole numbers and integers and rational and irrational and non-real and all of those things we spoke about when something's undefined as well. So we're just going to do the stick table quickly to complete exercise 1. I've done 2 of these numbers with you already. Where's our marker? Yeah. Exercise 1.1 is on page 5 or something. Okay? And we'll put it in later. Okay, so looking at B. So -7, is it rational? We see the rational numbers and numbers can be written as fraction, recurring or terminating decimal. So is it rational? Yes, it can be written as -7/1. Okay? Is it irrational? Can't be irrational and rational at the same time. Also, we said irrational numbers are numbers that does not recur, does not terminate, and cannot be written as a fraction. Like the square root of 2 is a surd, so that's irrational. The q with the dash on top is irrational. Pi is an irrational number, and here is a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal number. Okay, so a number can't be rational and irrational at the same time, but it can be neither. Okay, is it real? Is it any one of those? It is real, yes. Is it non-real? No. So let's go a bit faster through it now. -1/7. Is it rational? Irrational? No. Real? Yes. Non-real? No. The square root of 7. It's a surd. Is it rational? No. Irrational? Yes. Real? Non-real? No. Can't be real and non-real at the same time. -3/16. Now, -3/√16. The root 16 can be written as 4. So in other words, we're looking at -3/4. So is that rational? Yes. Is it irrational? No. Is it real? Yes. Is it non-real? No. Square -√7. It is not rational. It's irrational. It's real and non-real. Because it's not non-real. Now 0.23 recurring, the recurring decimal. That number can be written as a fraction. Is it rational? Yes. Irrational? No. Real? Yes. Non-real? No. 2 minus the square root of -7. That is non-real. It's a complex number as we indicated, so it's non-real. So it's non-real, it's supposed to be a tick there. So is it rational? No, no, and no. 4 plus the square root of 3. It's a surd, no? Square root of 3 is a surd. So is it rational? No. Is it irrational? Yes. Is it real? Yes. Is it non-real? Square root of -7. It's non-real. So it's none of those. Okay. Carry on. So, negative square root 1/7. As the square root of 1 is 1, the square root of 7 is a surd. Okay? So that is irrational and real. The square root of 49 is what? 7. So that is rational. Not irrational, and real and not non-real. Square root of -7. Non-real. So it's non-real, so it's none of those. And 2 minus the square root of 7. It is irrational. So not rational, it's irrational and real. Okay, so that basically brings us to the end of exercise 1.1. For the remainder of this chapter, we will be working with real numbers, with the real number system. Okay. We'll stop the video at this point.